Show your toddler how to pick up a red sponge, squeeze the water from it and put it in the basket that has the red sponge. Your toddler will then do the same for the blue sponges. And by doing so, your toddler is learning how to match. So your toddler picks up the red sponges and puts them where all the other red sponges are. Praise your toddler for a job well done. Once your toddler is able to perform this interaction, it's time now to take the interaction to the next level. And you can do that by maybe introducing 3 colors or by using sponges with different shapes. Keep the shapes simple like round and square.
Learning memory recall. They might be learning to match, sort and organise the fish according to colour and size. They might even be learning to lead the activity as they encourage you to be involved with them.
The hand muscles of your toddler require nurturing, require stimulation. The hand has just learned how to grip and how to release. And the more activities that you do with your toddler that use the muscles of the hand, the better it will be for your toddler's later writing development skills. Your toddler will also now nurture the growing color recognition skills.